Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to set vacation time on Google Calendar. This is a great way to show others that you are out of the office and unavailable. Now let's get started. On your Google Calendar, we will create an event so that it shows you are on vacation. Let's say we want to take time off and mark it as a vacation. We will set the start date as April 17th. We will then set it as an all-day event, running through to the date we return. Let's use this as an example. As you can see, it is labeled as vacation. We will click the More Options button so that we can change the status from busy to free and set the visibility to public so that everyone can see we are on vacation. Once that is done, we will click Save. Now we can see that the vacation time is blocked off from the start date to the end date. That is how we set vacation time in Google Calendar. With this simple feature, we can manage our availability and avoid any schedule conflicts while we are away.